export here 36 kilos. But within 3 to 4 years, now it's married for 20,000 kilos, 20,000 tons, which means a year woman, a boy woman. Now, I mean, can we venture on for Kumasia Kakra? So, Quash Tower, a Diana Brosa Fefe, old ones is why, and what then, it will be 90% the cuckoo for a die. Cuckoo's can this year. Sir Oko Bantuma, line so Quanos are Bahabesi Gino. I don't know about 80% a cuckoo. I will say, be able to that the beer to do one cuckoo's car, a cuckoo for. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. It was our area. Sir Oba a crew from a Afon Quantaha. A diner, a Brusane, a Bensin in a Bats in Paul's area. A cuckoo farmers. Even to the points that we come back so blue. A winner cuckoo farmers a year. Oko on area, sir. But Oba Stadium, free stadium, a chiha urban. Asquire has you know, ye lawyers, any timber merchants, more if ye any good. So, quite asafo, so free as a runabout will be until so be drew Ahmedia Hono, Ahmedia Hoka Cracko is a tobacco for if you inquire. The tell you, Kuku, I yet a lot of work in this country, a bois or maripa. Takrade Habo. Kukuska any this year. Temahabo, Kukuska any this year. Lugon, Kukuska any this year. And nothing you work with for hall. What I say? And the Kuku now near my be to the point say Kuku no ebe the centerpiece of even a political architecture. And when they go far the NLM cry yet NLM no. Now because of Kuku and when you are not do no na bia nya asanti mema Kuku no nya hon faso. The anti cuckoo, anti party, yanti fammo cuckoo no a banner is can use your mum fast. And cuckoo near my yam my way as say, Yatuna ye jamus are yana aya. Eti Yamia de Bacoin, as a idican every. Cecilia Mino Cassay. Sir, cuckoo issues ya a benina. The free sata my tea cuckoo no be do savvy, do maybe no. And I tell me then you know a brofono, who say Yankas, I won't bet me discard that die. Did they suggested, say, in fact, your friend say, syndicated loan. Mamma Jebosian, I'm on Fanto, now I'm about Mamma Jebosian, I'm on Fanto, no Ababitia. To the point, so Jebosians are $1 dollars. No basis and cities. Now they are tall. Who told we are? No, oh, Kutia, no, some Kutia dollars. And with scan of interest also, scan of amount. And now original hard currency, the interest also. It is about $2 billion here. By the time I bet 2 years can be a was sign Aboka bears a $500,000 account because of exchange rate, you know, and the interest you may guso. And to because 2014, now lunch Martin, African Watch for your interview. The Ghana you cook architecture say you bet me a queen pa young abolishes negated loans. Na yan resist cow ya na mfanto kuku no se de ses ka no to a ye betima yen say yan ya busia wa cedi ene ye de ato ye kokoto ne nya dollars no ska ne nyina ye dia ni tua interest no wia ska ne nyina ye dia enye say akogi dollar abesesa e de ato asan asesa e de kutua ye no betwam ame ho ato yin 2014 that time na ndis no akunya so no this idea by oboma amfa and at times are near syndicated loans na mebia ne kokogia yetim e kokos ka bo ye twen kokos ka mebia ye twen kokos ka abrofo ni kokos ka ba and edidi mo na dia be duru ba bia e dia duru now to see how be duru enyama akokoso no bebere no I don't want to shift blame to any of these parties. They know what they have done enyama ma ye tie o ma no soso e akese e ya but yenya so as a nation no yenwi ho se kokoo ni ebenya future man e ho na mebe se pese kokoo no nya future ne tim gina ne na so a agise yenya agitum se sa sika e di kokoo no gie e so man fa so bi ama oh za chocolate
we golden tree
we cried
on Valentine's Day
40% cocoa.
King's Bite.
King's Bite. 40%. 30 cedis. 100 grams. So 100 grams. Okay. Okay. 10 boom 1 kilo. 130 times 10 they're saying 300. 1 kilo maku 1,000 and they 1 ton. And the 30 times 300 times 1,000 they say 300,000. This is to say Sankasa chocolate you cocoa ye tune nyina ye twene nyina no kedne nyina ye chocolate klumpe say ya. Enka we will be running an economy cocoa economy of 24 now you 2 years 800,000 tons.
Yeah, giant importation of foreign chocolate.
Yeah, link it to the African
value addition.
Africa Continental Free Trade Area this is what is going to happen. We are going not yet to be 800,000 tons. We are going to make $24 billion. $24 billion.
Your choir may cost $3 billion.
$24 billion. You can imagine employment a bit cover. You're not a bema cocoa. A brand here or we university. The quantos of a cocoa. Because they say there's no way here. Says yeah. See, I'm taking this strategic serious measures here. There is no way. Say a brand here become better. So baby cocoa food. What do I say? And you are no near dear SS. The quaben a bit my first way. We also need to use another formula, modeler, and the 1D1F, 1D1F, Alajamatinde by back on your friend. Common user facility. So common user facility, no. Why you be 5 areas? Typical by a wash and the region, I will start with G. Woman, dear bro, you come in your 600 farmers. You come a boom under one community. And you dear a brew, woman, dear brew, do dear brew as a Bruno bar. Now much a Bruno. Factory near Modia. Now much a brew, now more the factory honor. Now factory no up to Epsiamoka. 700 cities, 100 cities a bag. Factory no Tiamoka. Now factory no process a Bruno. O process we are a Bruno or 100 cities. Or process here a co market here and 100 cities beam. Value has been added to it. Do better be a conjugate 1,000 cities. Because what the beer near my day and they do acquire other products. And they are going to be 1,000 cities a bag. And you know, as we are now, woman tea a cow marble in production cost new film. Dear Faso Abason. Queninoa or dear Bruno buy or bet to 100 citizens. And Fasona Abason, they do 70%. If a common user facility. Tis your best idea will be your best use this process. Near the another program, near the cocoa. You're not the Bama Queni, and then me a brand here or home. A combat dosse or Beko cocoa food. Not make a dang see, Ashton, Yeah, Papa, no me a brand you. Now go meet me a German Ukruma. But they want to stay in the bush to work because this cow. Sata, me, Papa, baby, I'll go on. Never, baby, a fraud, you book room. Ufri Benjamin, one antico disability. The hand what was so 14 miles. Can't go home. And here go to Benjamin, yes, near 14 miles. Near Cohonum. A honor papa know that, what the room. No car, but the car moving. Or now the car, Bedford, UDB, in your car, near friend, what Ghana blue train. They don't know the year. We jay the car, look, I could do cocoa because we say, Ska, and into a say, Sabre we say no. You're not a bema cocoa farmer. Well, what didn't do or didn't cocoa no abba. But common user facility one. We bet me at least 100 cities. Bet me 100 cities on probably a ton of cocoa and as a bag. They say a ton in 58 cities. What 58,000. We bet me 100,000. Then and then on the cocoa. And sign your processing we near cocoton. That's your ton bear say, but 300,000. Your processing cost if the car bears 100,000 and so be 70%.
Okay.
By the time we not cocoa 1 ton, when you're 170,000. You're not the bema crutching because we could just as I could do cocoa. Yeah, no crutching you will ever attempt. So I could do because ohunu any end in sight.
Mame Musa Professor Hans sanse ja promises bibi no mo de maye.